Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a demo slash review of the Dyson Air Wrap, Styler Air Wrap. This one is like for thick curly hair. It comes with two of these, which is the bigger ones, two smaller barrels, a blow dryer, and a brush that's also a blow dryer. I'll go more in depth with my hair later on when my hair is still wet. I talk more about it. I bought it last year. It was a pretty penny, about $500. I waited for Sephora to have their 20% off sale. And I mean, you still end up paying $500 with like tax and everything. I think it's a good investment because every time I do my hair in the salon, I blow it out in the salon, I wash, blow dry, they charge me at least $50. So technically, if you're using this for, you know, ever, then it's not a bad investment. However, you are the one doing it yourself, putting in the work yourself. I also think it's pretty good because it is a Dyson product, which is supposed to be better for your hair, not as harsh on it. And my hair is very curly and very dry. It's always been dry, and then when I bleach it, it's even more dry. It takes me about an hour to do my hair, but I also have very thick hair, which thankfully I'm very thankful for it. But I have very thick hair, long hair. It grows very fast. That is the type of hair that I have. So this is the finished product after I used the Dyson. My curls are very bouncy, it's very nice. The good thing is I don't actually like it this tight, the curls, but you can brush through it or with your fingers. I leave it like this because during the next few days it starts, you know, letting go, and it turns really pretty once the curls start dropping, which I actually prefer. But yes, this took me about an hour to do. I tried to include as many clips as I could. Everybody uses this differently. I think it is best for the way that it works for you. I just show a quick demo of it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you want to see more of this, then please comment down below and let me know, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Happy Sunday. See you guys later. Alright guys, so the first thing that I do is that I connect my Dyson hair wrap. I let my hair air dry for a little bit. You can use the blow dryer contraption. So this is the pack that it comes in, and you can use the blow dryer contraption and blow out your hair, but I usually don't, just because I don't want that extra added heat to it. So I just let it air dry to the point where like my front is mostly dry, and then they come in with these barrels and these barrels, which are much bigger, and I use the bigger barrels just because my hair is longer and thicker, and I don't want more of a tighter curl. I just want my hair blown out and just have the little curl at the end. It also comes with this brush, which is like a hair dryer brush. And I actually don't really use this at all because I don't use it as a comb. I think my hair is too thick for it, and it doesn't really benefit my hair. It just makes it more frizzy, to be honest with you. So the first thing that I do after I let it air dry is I take, this is the Tangler detangler, the pink one, and I just go in with this and I quickly detangle my hair. I use the wet brush in the shower after I condition my hair, but I use this after it starts air drying because my hair gets super tangled very fast. Immediately, actually, after I get out, I could feel the tangle happening in the back of my hair, so I just quickly do this over it. Julie's staring at me. I love a boy. Alright, and then I go in with a heat protectant. This is the Chi heat protectant. So I go in with a few sprays of that, just because we're gonna be doing some heating damage. Okay. Alright, so the way that this attaches is this is the barrel and this is the pole. It's it's pretty big, but it's actually not that bad to hold, and it just like clips in. And then to remove it, this is the front, this is the back. You just like push and let go of it. So it's fairly simple, but once it's in, it's pretty in. And I use hair clips. I have like 1,000 of them everywhere, and I just use them to clip my hair because Julie, no. Now I'm going to switch out the barrel for this side, and the arrows are pointing that way. pieces that I don't like this one, and I'm going to put some oil in it. This is a super Spanish hair oil which I've been using for years. My mom has been using. It's just a blob.